What's up, class? I'm gonna be going over my brand that I created this semester, Top Gear. So first off, I'm just gonna start off by showing y'all my logo that I designed. You can see right here. So basically, I just kind of found a actually created a turntable. I think it was in Illustrator, and then I converted it and brought it into Photoshop, and I added a little bit of effects, to the turntable. And then I created this arrow in Illustrator, and then last I just uh, chose the text for the name Top Gear. So that's my logo that I had created. I decided to keep it pretty simple for the logo. So basically, the type of product or service that I wanted to offer for Top Gear is a high quality music production equipment for both beginners and advanced musicians. And so, just things like MIDI keyboards. I even thought about like a product that has like all in one, like a keyboard, a microphone, a drum machine, and all that. So that was like one idea that I wanted to kind of incorporate this semester. Um, so I wanted to also have a brand that was created products that were user friendly, that didn't confuse the customer, and that was just real easy to mess with, like basically like plug and play type devices. So yeah, I just noticed that there's a lot of products out there that have like glitches and bugs that prevent you from actually using the product the way that you want to. So in my mind, I had it that I want to create a product that would eliminate all those problems that a lot of people have when they're creating music. And let's see. My audience would basically be, of course, musicians and producers, both new people who are new to producing and also advanced. The younger generation would be attracted to Top Gear because it eliminates a lot of the problems that you have when you're first starting to create music. So yeah, that's the biggest struggle musicians have when they're first starting out music, and it was one of the things that kind of held me back for a while. And I also had I still tried to keep the older generation of customers in mind as well. Um, like I wanted to kind of keep an old style of equipment, keep like the original style of like a MPC drum machine. That's what I was having in mind. So I think that that would really attract the older generation of customers. And uh, the main audience that I would like to target is people who've already chosen music as their career path. Um, I just wanted to tackle all the problems that music producers have when creating music, so that they could just focus on the creativity and the more important factors for musicians who want to have a career in music. So let me go off and show you some of the advertisements that I created. I'll start off with the first one. You can see here. Um, I kind of decided to use some photos that I thought would be appealing, and just the slogan right here, create with ease. I decided that to be my slogan because that's really the main thing that I'm trying to do with Top Gear. Just create music easily and just be able to let your creativity out. So this was just one advertisement, for like a grand opening, 25% off. Just put a date right here. So that was the first one that I had made. And I'll go to a few more real quick. This is another one that I really liked. It was for typography. Uh, yeah, basically I went with the original text, and I just started to play around with it in Photoshop. adding different filters and stuff like that, and this is what I came out with. So this was my favorite one of all out of the typography. And I'll go ahead and show y'all the other typography ones too. I mean, they're not as impressive, but I just thought, you know, they give a cool little design for the text. Same with here, just the slogan with the background and all that. Just decided to keep those pretty simple. So those are the 3 typography that I had. Basically, let me see what else I have here. I guess the message that I would actually had for my audience was that there doesn't have to be a frustration when trying to create music. And there's a lot of other brands out there that I would be competing with as well. Just to name a few, there's a Akai Professional, Alesis Keyboards, Focusrite is a big one. They create like these. Here, I'll show you real quick, just to give y'all like an example of what I wanted to kind of, the type of products that I wanted to like design here or actually put out. So this is like allows you to basically get your microphone recorded into your software that you're using. It's called an audio interface. So I actually wanted to create something like this and have it designed into an actual keyboard, so that you would have to eliminate so you wouldn't have to go out and buy 2 separate products. You can just buy one that has kind of multiple things that you can do with it. So yeah, that was kind of my main thing for this project. I really enjoyed doing this working, you know, with this brand and creating it from scratch and all that. I thought it was real helpful in learning how to market and advertise. Taught me a lot, especially about like the typography. I had never really done anything like that, and I never really thought about doing anything like that, but it gave me some good ideas, and I really enjoyed it this semester. Thanks, guys.